Exposure to high levels of noise can cause hearing loss. The nature and extent of the hearing loss depends upon the intensity and the frequency of the noise and the duration of the exposure. Noise-induced hearing loss may be temporary or permanent. Temporary loss results from short-term exposure to noise. Loss from prolonged exposure is irreversible. OSHA has come up with regulations regarding the workplace, the time that you are in said workplace, and the allowed decibels that can be in the workplace, or how loud it is.
I need ear protection!
3:28 a.m.
Oh, yeah.
Comfort isn't worth your life.